Welcome to Dateline Resources Limited, an Australian explorer with polymetallic interests in Fiji. Dateline aims to increase shareholder value by identifying further copper, zinc and gold resources to add to the existing resource on its tenements in Fiji. The company's focus is the Undu project, located on the northern tip of Vanuatu, the second largest island in the Fiji group. Dateline holds 3 special prospecting licenses with an area of 74 square kilometres. The licenses include the historical Undu copper mine, which operated in the late 1960s. The company has been actively exploring this area for 6 years, with an initial focus at the Undu mine, around which it has defined an inferred resource. More recently, we have built on our knowledge of the geology of the mine to focus on regional prospecting. We now have targets ready for drilling to build on the existing resource base. The Undu mine is a VMS deposit made up of a cluster of massive sulfide lenses. These tend to be conductive. A VTEM airborne geophysical survey flown over the area closest to the mine detected a number of conductors associated with the mine, highlighted in red. To date, all drilling on the tenements has focused on the mine area, where the inferred resource is located. Previously unknown conductors detected by the VTEM survey are in orange. None have been tested with drilling. Of the new conductors, Nangasava and Michaelis Ridge are stronger and larger than the ones associated with the mine. Dongaria conductors are of similar magnitude and size to those at the mine. At Wainderi and Korobatini, the conductors are very flat and are interpreted not to break the surface. This suggests the source is unlikely to have been discovered by classical prospecting. Dateline has modelled the aeromagnetics data to show zones of high and low magnetism deeper within the Earth. The yellow shapes are zones of low magnetism, which might be caused by alteration and magnetite destruction associated with hydrothermal fluid flow. All of the VTEM conductors, including those at the Undu mine, are closely associated with or are on the immediate margins of the zones of low magnetism. Dateline's technical team find this association encouraging. Over the course of its exploration, Dateline has compiled a large and valuable database of technical information. Layers include airborne magnetics, topographic information, various geophysical surveys, and geological and geochemical information. Soil sampling over the VTEM targets has confirmed the presence of copper and zinc associated with a number of the conductors. These are at levels which are of similar magnitude to the mine area. Anomalous copper results have been returned from Wainderi, Michaelis Ridge and Nangasava. The anomaly at Nangasava is twice the area of that at the mine at similar levels. Zinc results tell a similar story, with strong anomalies at Nangasava, Michaelis and Wainderi. A blanket of younger ignimbrite rocks from a Krakatoa-style volcanic explosion covers the conductors Dongaria and Michaelis Ridge. This blanket has masked the conductors from historical prospecting. The Undu mine mineralisation outcrops where the ignimbrite has been eroded away. Dateline Resources has established significant milestones across its leases. The company is experienced at working in Fiji and has good working relationships with all stakeholders. Dateline aims to establish further value through its exploration activities, with the ultimate aim of establishing a successful mining operation.